In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a data flow diagram in Confluence Cloud using draw.io. If you've ever struggled to visualize the movement of data within your system, a data flow diagram can be a powerful tool to bring clarity and insight into your processes. Let's dive into the step-by-step guide on how you can create these diagrams right within Confluence using draw.io. First, you'll want to start by heading into Confluence. Once you're in, you'll need to add a new page. This is where your data flow diagram will live. You can name this page something fitting like table structure or any other title that clearly signifies its purpose. Creating a dedicated space for your diagram is crucial for organizational clarity and easy access later. Next, on your newly created page, you're going to utilize a little shortcut by typing in the command /draw.io. This command is a quick and efficient way to insert a draw.io diagram into your page. After typing it in, Confluence will present you with the option to insert a draw.io diagram. Simply click on that option, and you're one step closer to creating your data flow masterpiece. Once you've clicked on the draw.io diagram selection, Confluence will ask you to choose a template. For our purposes, go ahead and click on Basic. This provides you with a blank canvas without any pre-filled elements, allowing you to fully customize your diagram to suit your specific needs. After selecting Basic, you'll then want to click on Blank Diagram. This choice resonates well, especially if you want to start entirely from scratch and construct a diagram that's tailored entirely to your data flow specifications. It's like getting a fresh sheet of paper to start sketching your ideas. With your blank diagram ready, you should go ahead and click on the Create button. This action opens up the powerful draw.io interface where the magic happens. However, before you start designing, it's beneficial to equip yourself with all the necessary shapes. Click on More Shapes, and then choose Data Flow Diagram from the available options. This feature unlocks specific shapes designed for constructing data flow diagrams, making your task much more straightforward. After you've selected the appropriate shapes, don't forget to click Apply to ensure they are available for use. Now you're all set to begin creating your data flow diagram. Take advantage of the various tools and shapes to map out the flow of data within your system. Customize colors, labels, and connectors to make the diagram as intuitive and informative as possible. Once your diagram is complete and you're satisfied with how it visualizes your data processes, navigate to the top of the page and click Publish. This action saves all your hard work and makes your diagram available to your team for collaboration and review. And there you have it, a thorough walkthrough on crafting a data flow diagram right in Confluence using draw.io. With this tool, you can effectively map and share your data processes, aiding in comprehensive communication and understanding across your team.